Incompetence, but not a crime. That's the finding of a special investigation into the Nebraska prison sentencing scandal. Hundreds of inmates released early. KMTV Action 3 News reporter Josh Egbert spent the day in Lincoln tracking the latest, and he's live. Josh.
Craig, lazy bureaucrats disinterested in doing their job. That's the latest finding after an investigation into the prison miscalculation scandal. The Attorney General said they may not have done their jobs, but they also did not commit any crimes.
I mean, I went into this with an open mind, but certainly not opposed to filing charges.
It could very well be John Bruning's last big investigation before leaving office.
The reality is, when you can't make the case, you can't make the case.
And this case, the Attorney General says, just couldn't be made.
Because you're angry at somebody for screwing up a department and creating a mess, as a prosecutor, as an Attorney General, that's not enough to file charges. You have to be able to meet the statutory requirements.
The AG, along with Lancaster County Attorney Joe Kelly, released the results of their investigation. And even though there wasn't any criminal findings, Bruning didn't mince words.
And what the facts showed me was that this was incompetence, ineptitude, negligence, but not criminal intent.
Several top prison officials, including George Green, a former lawyer for the DOC, and Kyle Popper, who was in charge of calculating the release dates, could have faced several misdemeanor charges.
The evidence wasn't there to disprove anyone saying, I just didn't do anything. An admission of, let's say, negligence.
Bruning and Kelly say this is a classic case of a few bad apples spoiling the bunch.
But I know there are a lot of good people at corrections trying very hard.
Now, Bruning says technology needs to be updated within the prison system to help it run more smoothly. He says corrections employees still do some of the sentence calculations by hand the same way they did it more than 30 years ago. Their hope is Governor-elect Pete Ricketts will help modify the department. Now, we have that full investigation posted on our website at KMTV.com. Reporting live in the news center, Josh Egbert, KMTV Action 3 News.